In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your billing on Godaddy easily and quickly in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or managing your own personal domains, Godaddy's platform provides a robust suite of tools for keeping track of your billing needs. Let's dive in and simplify this process together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the main Godaddy website. You'll find this at godaddy.com. The site hosts a variety of services including domain names, online marketing tools, and even website hosting. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage if you're not already acquainted with it. This is where you'll start managing your billing information. As you arrive at the homepage, direct your attention towards the upper right hand corner. Here you'll find the sign in option. Click on sign in. If you already have an account, simply enter your login credentials. For those of you who might be new or have forgotten your login details, there are options for creating a new account or retrieving your password. Remember, security is a priority, so ensure your password is strong and stored safely. Once you're logged into your Godaddy account, you'll be directed to the Godaddy home area. This is essentially your dashboard where all your products and services associated with your account are listed. From here, you'll want to look for the account option. It's typically found at the top or along the side of your dashboard interface. By clicking on this, you unlock a whole new section of options related to your account management. Within the account section, you'll see a variety of options. For billing purposes, you'll want to click on renewals and billing. This is the part of your account you're most interested in today, as it's dedicated to managing how your services are paid for and renewed. Here you can view details of your current subscriptions, manage payment methods, and even set reminders for upcoming renewals. It's a wonderfully centralized dashboard for all things billing related. Take a moment to navigate through the options presented. You can review your transaction history, update your billing information, and change payment methods as needed. Familiarize yourself with these options to harness the full potential of what Godaddy offers in terms of billing management. By following these steps, you effectively track and manage your billing on Godaddy, giving you peace of mind and more time to focus on what's really important, growing your online presence. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.